Mexwiser is an AI-powered SaaS platform, a digital memory for maintenance. It captures expert know-how from real service work and makes it instantly reusable. Because the real constraint isn't data, it's experience. I can't hire the people I need. Master-level technicians just aren't available on demand. And I can't afford more rework and repeat visits. So what do you do, in practice, when the experience simply isn't there? In maintenance, capacity isn't just headcount. It's throughput and quality. That comes from expertise, how people diagnose, decide, and execute in complex situations. When experts leave, you don't only lose hours, you lose reliability in critical cases. So you're saying capacity depends on competence. That means losing experts isn't just a staffing issue, it's a systemic risk. Why is it such a big deal in practice? And honestly, we've tried sensors, remote support, training, and manuals. Why doesn't that close the skills gap? Sensors report symptoms, not causes. Manuals describe routines, not expert decision patterns. Mexwiser turns each job into a structured cognitive case and guides technicians toward a master-level workflow. Result: less rework, better parts decisions, and shorter service time. Most importantly, knowledge becomes the company's digital memory. It no longer leaves when people do. Your real constraint is time to competence. Mexwiser makes expert execution repeatable.